There's only one thing that I love more than candles. It's receiving a package. So this video is brought to you thanks to Village Coffin Candles. I'm so proud of this. Let's do some unboxing. Hi, welcome to The Code. My name is Faraz. I am with A1 Rituals Candles Co. This is a small candle business based in Ontario, Canada. And in this channel, I talk about everything from how to start a small business to the amazing process of candle making. If this is something that interests you, stick around and let's make candles together. So after one of my videos, I received an email from Village Craft and Candle. This is a really big candle and soap supplier from Canada. And I was so amazed that they wanted to share with me some vessels for me to try. I mean, what an honor. And so here we are. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's see what is sent to each and let's see how we can use them. I'm so excited. One. We have two big ones, so each one. And let's do this. I think my middle name should be I'm so excited. Let's see what I'm going to get into this. I don't know anything about them. I got some. It's my first impression. Ooh. I think I open it up to that. Ooh. These ones looks a lot like my current collection. The ones that I use. Huh. And I like it. I really like it. Look at this. I use, so my line of candles, in my line of candles, I use black vessels and clear vessels. And the black vessels looks just exactly like this. I wonder what's the name of this. It actually looks it actually looks better than, like, better quality. I like it. Oh no. You know what that means. I'm gonna be buying. This is not that heavy. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to compare. Oh. Look at that. Huh. This is so cute. I love the shape. Oh my goodness. What's up? The boxes, I wonder what they are. They differ. The leaves. Right? Okay. I don't mind the mess, you guys. Don't mind the mess. So excited. This is beautiful. Look at this. I like it. Now this is cute. This is really nice. I love it. Okay, let's do the lids. Expensive. Cheap. This one doesn't go here. cheap. Expensive, lots of money, luxury. There you go. No, it doesn't fit the black one. It just fits the orange one. Look at this one. I think this is for this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh gosh. Look at that. Ah, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just going to pour wax into these vessels. I am not sure that I'm going to be able to use them all, but at least this one I'm going to try, and maybe this one. Maybe this one. At least this one I'm gonna try right away, and I'll get back to you on that. That means I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to pour the wax, I'm gonna let it cure, and I'll be back with you in 2 weeks. So wish me luck. Let's see. I'm probably gonna try this as well. Okay, you guys, so 2 weeks have passed. I've poured some wax into the vessels. I actually used one vessel, but before we get into that, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about each one of the vessels that Village sent me. So starting with the first vessel, this is the Apothecary. It holds 13 ounces of wax. I love the porch lids. It's different, it's delicate, and I have so many ideas for this one. Oh my goodness. Moving on to the next is the Terra. It holds 10 ounces of wax. They have it in different colors, and they also have other lids that you can use with this one. I freaking love it. Terra and the color. Oh my goodness. Moving on to the Luxe jar. This one holds 9 ounces. This one holds 10 ounces. I hope I have said it right. And this one holds 9 ounces. This one is actually the one that I used to pour the wax. I already tried it, and we're gonna be talking about it. So the Luxe. Then we have this one, which I think it should be called Apothecary as well, because it kind of has that vibe, but it's also called the Luxe, and the Luxe jar. And this one holds 10 ounces of wax. Really nice. So there you have it, you guys. All the vessels that the Village sent me, they are amazing and must recommend. I also have to say that they do not only supply vessels, they have wax, they have fragrance oil, they have dyes, they have warning labels, and so on. So you must go ahead and check them out. I totally recommend these jars. These ones I'm going to be trying, and every time I try one of these jars, I am going to come back and let you know what happens. I already have a few ideas for this, and yes, I realized that I also get all my warning labels from the Village, and I do that because they are the only supplier that has the warning labels in French and in English. And by law, when you are putting products out, you need, here in Canada, you need to have them in both languages. So I do get all my warning labels for my melts, for my reed diffusers, and for my candles from the Village. So with that said, I had poured 8 ounces of wax in this jar. This one holds 9 ounces. and this is the final result. And yes, I am also using their dye, their pink dye. And this one, it's the Flamingo Blush candle. This is a brand new aroma that I just got out for summer season. Is the new addition to my summer collection. So I am so proud, and I am so happy that they are going in special jars and everything. So there you have it. It's the Flamingo Blush candle. It smells amazing. It burned really good in this jar. I have to say, I don't know if they have some kind of thermal design to it, that when you burn it, like this type of candles or in this presentation, you're not supposed to burn it more than 2 hours in a row. So 2 hours stop, right? So that actually gets a full melt pool, and normally the jar would hit, but this one didn't hit as much as the regular jars that I have. It didn't feel that warm, that hot, the vessel, when I was trying it, when I was testing it. So I don't know, I'll get back to Juliana on that and ask her. And so there you have it. I totally recommend, by the way. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much to the village for sending me these amazing jars. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, especially if you think that someone might need the information provided here. If they're looking for a supplier, a local supplier, then the village it is. So I'll see you in the next one.